Good morning, Broncos.
Good morning.
Today is Monday, June 1st, 2015.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Addie.
And Addie will take your news.
Seniors, on June 5th, Parkrose High School will be holding an assembly to recognize the accomplishments of the class of 2015 and to celebrate their future plans. To help us recognize you and others, please fill out the form on the Parkrose High School website attached to the button labeled "What are you doing next year?" This form is a requirement for all seniors. We will also use this information for the College Board in the cafeteria, so be sure to complete it as soon as possible. Seniors, please spend down your lunch account balances before you leave on June 5th. And now, a brand new Senior Spotlight interview featuring Mary Markham.
I'm really bad at this. Okay. One of my favorite activities is dance team. When I was little, I really wanted to be on dance team because my older sisters were on dance team. And it takes a lot of time, but it's definitely one of my favorite activities. Pretty much all my friends, not all my friends, but I made a lot of friends on dance team that I wouldn't have made if I wasn't on dance team, and I love dancing.
Say Mary plays the berry. Except look in the camera when you say it.
Mary plays the berry. Haha. I plan to go to Concordia University and major in nursing. I want to become a trauma nurse, and I hope to do that. First, get involved, do a lot of activities, and specifically for your senior year, if you're really busy, take a free period and use that free period just for college applications and scholarships because it takes way more time than you think it does. I have been involved in dance team, band, music honor society, We the People, Science Bowl team, theater, the Student Senate, and Link Crew. And I think that's it. Okay, Parkrose, bye.
That's it?
It is definitely crazy to think you guys only have 1 week left.
It's so weird that this is our last week of high school, but Mary is definitely one of the seniors that will be missed.
And that was a good spotlight interview.
It definitely was. All right, Katie will take the rest of your news.
Students, we need your help. Please take a moment to complete the Spring Student Path Survey. This is a very short survey consisting of only 3 questions. If you forgot your login/password from the winter, you can create a new account. We will receive $1.50 for every survey completed. In the winter, we received $900. The money was used to help pay for AP exams, the slip test, and field trip opportunities. If you complete the survey by Friday, June 5th, you will be automatically entered into a raffle for a $50 gift card. The survey link is mystudentpath.com. The survey can be completed on a tablet or a smartphone. Seniors, make sure you turn your senior all-night form and money in as soon as possible. There will be a parent available at lunches all week. If you have any questions, ask Miss Grant. Now, word scramble of the day.
Word scramble?
The meaning is appearing now and then.
Yes, that looks like iteraps, I think, from here. But if you can formulate that one in your head,
it is
sporadic.
Sporadic.
I like this word.
Yeah, it's a good word.
It is.
Make sure to use it today, guys.
Yes. All right. Seniors, enjoy your last week of high school and have a great day, Broncos.
Have a good day, Broncos.